Okay guys, so we got some plugs here. You can see how hard I'm pushing. It does not want to come out. So a lot of times what we like to do is run it back in a little. This thing is so tight. And then you work it back out again. And this one is so tight, there's just an issue. So I'm gonna go back in about half that distance to where it's kind of trying to move. And then we're gonna take about a half a cap full of brake fluid. This is DOT 3 brake fluid. We're gonna drip it down in there. We don't need a whole lot. Okay, about a quarter of a cap full. And we're gonna let that sit a second and we're gonna work it back in there. And hopes that we don't break a plug. So I'm gonna back it out and back in. She is super tight. Work it a little bit. If you could get a little crayon in there, sure would make a difference, but brake fluids works really well too. Now we're gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. Be right back. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. I'll work it a little bit that way. Go a little bit tight before you start loosening. And there she is. She's already loosened up. Ah, much better. You don't want to break that plug off in there. Sometimes they get like that. The best thing that you can do is actually take these out when it's warmed up a little bit, the engine. So there it is. Hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.